Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You must first confirm you legally own the PC or have explicit permission to manage it. Once done, identify if the locked account is a Microsoft Online account or a local account, because recovery paths differ. Make sure you have another internet-connected device, and, when possible, create Windows installation media on a USB stick. This helps for repair or reinstall options. Do not attempt bypass methods. Proceed with sanctioned recovery or reset steps to preserve data and security. If the account is a Microsoft account, go to Account, Microsoft. Calm and follow the account recovery flow to reset your password, then sign into Windows normally. For a local account, use a previously created password reset disk at the sign-in screen and follow the reset wizard. If neither applies, boot from official Windows, install media to access safe mode, system restore, or repair options. These tools let you restore system state or perform a repair install without instructing harmful bypass steps. After you regain access, immediately set up robust recovery options like a PIN, backup email, and a password reset disk to avoid future lockouts. If essential files are inaccessible and you consider a full reinstall, first consult professional data recovery to preserve data. If you cannot complete recovery, contact Microsoft support or your organization's IT department. They can verify ownership and apply sanction methods to restore access without compromising security. This keeps the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.